This person has already done 2,320 orders, so it's into 10. It's almost like 20,000 USD. Hey guys, this is Supriyo and I welcome you to my channel. Lots of people are talking all about like what services to sell on Fiverr. Many people are messaging me and asking that, hey man, what type of services do I sell, because I don't have any skills. So for those people who don't have any skills and are looking to make money off Fiverr, okay, so this video is for them. And not only this video, guys, I've actually decided to make a full series of various skills which you can use to make money online. And you don't have to develop these skills like something like I'm not going to teach you something like website coding or programming or something like that. It's basic work, okay? Like if you watch this video carefully and if you watch this video till the end, you are going to basically know like what I'm doing here and how you can sell these services. So without any further ado, let's just get started on this. Okay guys, so today we are going to work on a specific skill which basically I need every day. As an advertiser, as an agency owner, I basically need a Facebook post every day for my advertising. Okay, so basically almost every 2 to 3 days I come to Fiverr and order like couple of gigs for my social media designs. Okay, so I thought I definitely know that this niche has a lot of work. Okay, and so I'm going to show you today like can be done and how you can make money from this particular niche. Okay, so guys, social media banner, as you can see, like 46,000 services available. Okay, so definitely this gig has a lot of work to do. Okay, and also this is a lot of services available here. As you can see, guys, these are the banners which you can design. Like these are the services which you can offer. Obviously I'm going to show you one service today, so stick with me till the end. Let's suppose we open one of these. Okay, so you can see that this person has already done 2,320 orders, so it's into 10. It's almost like 20,000 USD. Okay, and here she has 6 orders in queue. That means she has 60 USD worth of orders in queue. Okay, so guys, this type of things here does not take a lot of time to do. It's basically like maybe some hours of work. Okay, maximum. If the design quality is like high class level, so the time required will be more. But basically for designs like this, guys, it's like easy, guys. It's not difficult. It's so easy, man. It just takes like maybe 10 to 15 minutes of my time. I will show you one design as well, but you have to use my strategies, you have to use my techniques to make better designs. And let's suppose you are taking an order for an agency client, who wants a banner for his fitness program. Okay, so that will be something like a fitness type, like this. Okay, so there are already templates available which I can show you how you can design these stuff. Okay, so you can take that order accordingly. Like don't take any orders, guys, which you cannot deliver. Okay, only take something which you can deliver, right? So guys, there is huge market for this, guys. I know for myself because I have ordered a lot of these gigs myself, and I ordered every 2 to 3 days, as I told you, because these designs are needed by me as well, because I own an agency, so I need this kind of like banners all day long. Guys, just to show you a fact, this is a statistics data from statista.com. Okay, their Facebook states that 8 million active advertisers were using their platform in 2020. Okay, and now last year in 2019, in the first quarter, there were 7 million advertisers, but now in the first quarter of 2020, there are 8 million active advertisers using their platform. Okay, so you can imagine, guys, the amount of demand that this particular service has. So that's why I will show you like how to make social media covers or banners, and this can apply, guys. Whatever I will show you, this can apply to anything, like maybe products or maybe services, or maybe you are making website banners or maybe social media covers. Like you can tweak it according to your needs, okay, according to your client's needs. Okay, so with some practice you will definitely be a master at it. So I will go to a site like canva.com. Okay, like Canva is a free tool. You basically have to go to canva.com, and then you have to open a free account there. Okay, there is a pro account as well, but you don't need the pro account for what I will show you. Okay, So this is a social media banner, as you can see, guys. So what I will do here is come here and say, let's suppose if I have a ebook cover, if I have to design a ebook cover, okay, so I can easily click on ebook cover over here, and Canva will give me all the templates related to this, which will help me create a banner. Okay, so ebook cover is not needed for this one. Maybe I'll show in some other service video, but for this one we need social media. Okay, not social media but Facebook specifically, guys. Facebook cover, or maybe you can go for Facebook post as well. Okay, anything, guys, anything. Okay, let's see, guys. If you select Facebook cover over here, there are multiple templates over here, so whichever one you want, you can edit all this, whatever you see over here. Okay, so again, if I go to Facebook post, this is a Facebook post. Okay, and I click over here, and there are multiple designs which Facebook shows me. Okay, sorry, not Facebook, actually it's Canva, sorry, guys. Yeah. So let me just get started with this. Okay, now they have given me the template. Okay, but let's suppose my client is has given me a work which is based on the Father's Day niche. Okay, so I will search something like father son, maybe I was making one for my client, so let me just show you one as well. Okay, so I will select this template. Maybe this is this nice looking design. Okay, so again, there is Canva. If you see, guys, this Canva written over here, that means you have to pay Canva to remove these watermarks. Okay, as you can see, guys, so you don't need to pay Canva. Okay, right now we are going to do it for absolutely free, so I will not use this image. Okay, instead I will use some other images. Okay, and how to get images, it's simple. Okay, come to photos over here. Okay, then you select the father, and you can come here and like Father's Day. Okay, you can select images from here and use over here. Okay, so I'm going to select an image right now. Let me select one. Not getting a good one. There are lots of options here, guys. There are lots of things to do, and it just depends on your creativity, like how much you can go ahead. So I will delete this one right here, and I will use this one here. I will drag it, and then I will increase its size. Okay, then I will drag it as well to fit this. Okay, I will stretch it a bit. Yeah, so that looks good. Okay, yeah, so that looks good. Now to the text, what I will do is I will make it catchy, because Facebook post is all about making it catchy to attract the audience. Okay, first I have to click on this, and I have to click on ungroup. Okay, because all these three, whatever you see over here, are grouped together. So first we have to ungroup them in order to do the editing. Okay, so I will first do the editing for this one. I will keep them aside. Okay, so basically I'm going to add a layer to this, so it basically looks catchy. Okay, maybe I will change the colors over this, guys. There is unlimited things which you can do over here. Okay, there is unlimited. I will change the color of this one. So basically I will select this one, and I will go here. Okay, and I will change the color. Maybe I will keep it blue. Okay, this it's looking good now. And I will add a layer to it behind the text, so that it stands out. Okay, so to do that, I will go to elements, then I will scroll down, then I will come to shapes. Okay, then I will resize it, and I will fit this to the size. Let me fit it. Let me remove the comma from here. Remove the comma. Yeah, it's done. Don't worry, guys, I know the color is not looking good. It's very shady color. I will definitely change it. Okay, so stick with me to find what I do. So don't worry about this, guys. It looks like this because I will change it. I will bring it to the front, okay, and I will change the text color as well. So I will make it blue to stand out, okay, make it stand out basically, okay. And now I will drag it basically to fit the size, okay. I will do it. Okay, that's done. Then I will use the font. Maybe I will maybe bold it. Oh, it was already bolded. So now what I will do, guys, is basically I will select this and then I will click on the group icon so that I can move it wherever I want. Okay. Now I will extend the size and then I will maybe round it out, angle it out a bit so that it looks good. Okay, to my amazing dad. And to this one I will do the same basic thing, guys. Adding layers, adding layer actually looks good. So I will do the same thing. I will go to shapes. I will come over here and I will do this. Okay. And again, guys, I will change the color here to white. And this one can be blue. Okay. It's not looking that good. It's not that much eye-catching. So I will maybe change the color of this one to maybe this one to black. Let me see. You can play with it, guys. You can basically play with it. Okay. Happy Father's Day. Looks good. Does not look that bad. Okay. And again, can maybe change the text style. Now I will reduce the size of this a bit. Okay. I will fit this in. And now what I will do is I will select this both, okay, and then I will click on the group so that it's movable together. Okay, you can move it anywhere. And now what I will do is I will maybe angle it out a bit so it looks good. Okay. You can do a lot, guys. I'm not a designer, so don't think that I am one. I just make this in maybe 5 to 10 minutes in Canva. Okay. And maybe then you can have this text elongated in size. You can extend the size of this. Okay. And you can keep this as it is, and then maybe you can add an emoji to finish it. Okay, or maybe you can leave this leave it like this as well. Okay, don't need to add an emoji or something like that. Okay. So this looks pretty much good, guys. If it's a Father's Day promotion, it looks good. It looks good. So maybe you can add something like an emoji. So I will show you maybe something like love, or no, not this kind, guys, not this kind. Actually, you go to emojis. Okay, there was an option over here when you click on more. Okay, emoji, and here you can select something like love. Okay. And you can select one, maybe this one. Okay, yeah, this one looks good. This one looks good on this one. Okay, so I will now put it down a bit, and this one down a bit, and this one I can make it small. Okay, maybe I can put it out over here. So this looks nice, guys. Okay, now this looks nice to me. I'm amazing, dad. Happy Father's Day. I'm lucky to have you in my life. Thanks for everything. It's an image, nice, guys. Okay, and now all you need to do is just whatever is your client name, you have to give your client name over by dragging your cursor to here. Okay, you can click on Control A, delete it, and then you type out your client name over here. Joseph Father's Day campaign. Father's Day campaign, or maybe you can type Father's Day post, like whatever you want, guys. Okay, whatever you want to name it as, so it gets saved, and so the project file also gets saved, and so you can find it out easily. Okay, that is why I showed you this. And now you can click on download. This is the download option, so you can click on download, and here you can click on the download option, and Canva says we are preparing your design. So try Canva Pro for free days. Don't need it, guys. Click on the cross icon. Joseph's father emoji. Now I will open it here. So now guys, it looks pretty cool, guys. You can see here it looks pretty cool. Okay, and again, I'm not a professional designer. Designers can make much better stuffs like this. Even you can make much better stuffs like this, better than this, if you let's like play around with the colors and layers and everything. I've just made this video short so you can like learn the basic idea, and then you can implement it by creating a gig around this niche and selling and making a big thing in Fiverr. Okay guys, if you like this video, leave a like in my video, and if you are new here or you want to see more videos like how we make money on Fiverr, how we make money online, then make sure to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the latest notification of all my videos whichever I upload. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.